Hello guys, welcome back to another things, but for today's video here are going to show you how to fix invisible mouse on Battlefront 2. Also, it would be really awesome if you like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering how do you fix if your mouse is stuck in Battlefront 2 whenever you boot it up. Now, the thing with this issue here, it means that there might be some UI problems. So the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to use Alt Tab on your keyboard. Now, what Alt Tab does, it just basically switches your window. Sometimes switching windows via this way can actually solve your issue. So just press Alt and then Tab on your keyboard and switch to a different window here. And basically go ahead and click Battlefront here at the very bottom here and see if that solves your issue. Now, the last thing that you could try doing here is you may want to check Discord. Now, this one is kind of weird. Now, sometimes the problem itself is from Discord, especially if you're using it to play it with your friends. So, you want to open up Discord here. You want to go to your settings at the bottom left of your screen, which in this case is your settings. And you want to go to Game Overlay here. So, just scroll down a bit here. Click on Game Overlay. And you want to make sure that you enable Overlay. Now, if you enable this one, this should actually just solve your issue and you don't have to do anything else. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFTinspo. Thank you for watching.